Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. Please forgive my voice today, guys. I know it's a little muffled and it may sound a little scratchy to you, but today I am getting over a mild illness that I had. I am feeling a lot better today, so I wanted to upload this video. I wanted to do this voiceover today. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for watching me today. So for this video, I'm going to be creating a transparent tea light candle vase. Now I saw something similar to this on Temu and I said, you know what, I'm going to try to recreate this and bring it to you all. And if you are interested in recreating anything, I'll try to leave as many shopping links as I can for the items that I'm using today. I know everyone wants alternatives to shopping sites, so I'm going to be including Temu and some of these shopping sites for you as well as Shein if they have the products available. I'm going to start with this beautiful round vase that you see in front of me. And then I'm going to go into the type of bling that I'm going to be using, which is this beautiful bling with some rhinestones in it. The bling is self-adhesive and it really sticks well to glass. So I'm going to be using this today as trim, as maybe like a little bit of trim. I'm not going to create a vase that has lots of trim and design on it today. It's supposed to represent a transparent tea light candle vase. So I'm going to cut this down in half and then we're going to start the project. And I'm going to fold it in half, cut it straight down the middle because I want the bling to be just minimal. I want the beauty of the design to have clean lines and not a lot of, bling and complication. So now that that's done, I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol on a paper towel and just clean off the bling. You have to clean your fingerprints off just to give it a little extra shine. So the next thing I'm going to do now is draw a line around the vase. I need to find the center and I'm going to use my paint here. This is the Treasured Gold paint. So I'm going to use that as my guide and I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to place my marker on top of the paint and then I'm going to press the tip of the marker against the vase and I'm going to turn it. This is going to help me create a straight, even line all the way around the perimeter of the vase. Okay, so for my adhesive today, I'm going to be using this double-sided adhesive tape. I'm using this today to adhere the tea light candle containers to the vase. So I'm just going to apply the tape to each one of the little containers. I'm going to be using 8 today for the vase. And I'm just sticking the tea light container onto the tape. So I'm just going to apply one single strip of the tape to the tea light candle container. And I'm going to do this for 8 containers. So now that that's done, I'm going to just press each one down. I'm going to be using my silicone tweezers. Silicone tweezers work really well when working with the tape, guys, because it doesn't stick to these silicone tipped tweezers. The line that I've drawn on the outside, I'm going to use that as my guide. And following my guide, I'm going to lay each one of these tea light container right along the top edge of the line. This is going to help me place these in evenly. So already, guys, I'm loving the way this looks. We don't have our candles in yet. I'm not going to place them in yet. What I'm going to do next is take a little bit of alcohol on a paper towel, and I'm going to remove the black line that I drew on the outside of the vase. Here is the project. This looks so nice, guys. I didn't see this exact thing on Temu. I wanted to create another version of this. This is so beautiful in a bowl shape. The one I saw on Temu is in a cylinder shape. The heat from the real wax candles made the vase very, very hot, too hot to handle, and it also created a very small hairline crack. If you wanted to recreate this project, I'm not recommending that you use real wax candles. So what I'm going to do with my vase, I'm going to use battery operated candles. So I'm going to use these tea light candles that you see here. I added a little extra bling around the center of the vase just to cover up the visible tape. Since I had some extra bling left over, I did just add it to the center of the vase. It does cover up the tape just a little bit, and it does add a little bit more bling than it had before, but not too much. And I really do like the way this looks. So you let me know which way was your favorite, guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I really, really appreciate you watching today. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.